Good morning to all my dear students. I hope children you all are fine. Children, we were doing chapter number 8 pronouns, and today we are going to continue the same chapter.
Children, in the last class I started this chapter. This is chapter number 8 pronouns, page number 23, and we had done exercise A. I hope you all have completed your work in your grammar book. And I gave you also one work to do in the grammar copy. I hope that also you have done. Today children, before we start the next exercise, let us see few examples that I am going to show it to you now. Look here children. This kite is mine. Is this book yours? These dolls are ours. This cap is his. That pen is hers. These caps are theirs. Now look at these examples children and the words that I have underlined. Mine, yours, ours, his, hers, theirs. Now these words children, these words are called possessive pronouns. Okay, these are possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership or possession. What do you mean by this? It means that something belongs to someone. It shows who or what owns something. Okay, like see this example, this kite is mine. It means that you're talking about the kite that is yours. ये तुम्हारी kite है. So you are going to say that in English as this kite is mine. Who is the owner of this kite? Who possesses this kite? किसका kite है? Mine. Mine means मेरा. So mine is called possessive pronoun. In the same manner, is this book yours? You're asking a question that this particular book belongs to whom? So you're asking that is this book yours? So this word yours is your possessive pronoun. Next one. These dolls are ours. Now we are talking about which object? Dolls. Who is the owner of these dolls? Who is the owner? किसकी doll है? Ours. Our means हमारी doll है. Next example see children. This cap is his. It means that this particular cap belongs to whom? किसकी है? Who is the owner? His. His मतलब उसका. This cap is his. That pen is hers. Here you are saying that the particular pen belongs to a girl. Hers means it means girl. Okay, for girls we use HERS, hers. And for boys or males we use HIS, his. Okay, next example. These caps are theirs. Okay, now who is the owner of these caps? Who is the owner? It is saying these caps are theirs. Theirs means more than one person. Okay. So these words mine, yours, ours, his, hers, theirs, they tell you that something belongs to someone. किसका सामान है? Who is the owner? That is being explained, okay, by the word given in these examples. So these are called possessive pronouns. You have two types of pronouns in your book children. One is personal pronoun that we have already done, and the next one is possessive pronouns. Okay, so let us do one exercise in your grammar book and let us see what is given in the question. The question, you will write the date first. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Now here the first question I have already done it for you children, but still let us discuss it. Dash am a teacher. Now with the word am children, you have already studied in your previous class. We always use the pronoun I and you will write in capital. Next is this pen dash? Now you're asking to someone, is this pen तुम्हारी है? What are you going to say in English? Yours. You are going to put S. Okay. Is this pen yours? This is a question. So here question mark you can see. Next is you have to fill your suitable pronoun. Where do dash live? So you are asking someone a question. So where do you live? Next one. God loves dash. Now here you can fill two answers, children. Either you can write God loves us, or you're talking about your own self, then you can say God loves me. Next is dash are lazy boys. Now you're talking about plural word boys. So obviously here he to nahi likhoge. You're going to write down they. Because with plural we don't write he, we write down they. They are lazy boys. Next is I have a dog. I call it tiger. So for animals we are going to use the pronoun it. Next 7 number. They have not finished packing yet. Tell dash to hurry up. So with they we use, okay. Next, hello Kavi and Ravya. Hello Kavi and Kavya, sorry. These bottles are yours. Okay. Next, we have a hen. Dash lays eggs. So we are talking about this particular animal, hen. So with animals we write down pronoun it. Next one is, I saw dash moving on the road. Moving we use for children, for creatures or for birds or animals. So you will write down it. I saw it moving on the road. Next question. Where is Garima? Tell dash to come here. Now we are talking about Garima. So for Garima you will write down the pronoun her. Where is Garima? Tell her to come here. Next is dogs are very useful. Dash guard our houses. Now here children, for dogs you can see plural s is written. So you will not write it. Okay, you will write they. They guard our houses. For plural, whether it is birds, animals or human beings, we use the pronoun they. Next is dash goes to school daily. So here you can write he goes to school daily or she goes to school daily. Both are correct. Next one is dash am not feeling well today. So children, with am I have already told you, you are going to use the pronoun I. I am not feeling well today. Next is I asked Mohan to give dash his book. I asked Mohan to give me his book. So this way you have to do the question number B, children. Okay, suitable pronouns you have to fill. We have another question. Rewrite these sentences given below using the pronouns wherever required. That means where it is required only there you will change. Okay, first one is already done. So let us come to 2 number. The horse did not like his master. The horse kicked his master. Now the question is, you have to rewrite the sentences by using pronouns. Now in the first place, children, whenever we are talking about any nouns in the first place, here we are not going to change it into pronoun. Whether it is Sarah, whether it is the horse, here you don't change the noun into pronoun. You are going to change this noun into pronoun when we talk about it once again in the second line. Okay. So you will write first line as it is. The horse did not like his master. Again it is given here, the horse kicked his master. So in place of the horse you will write it, because horse is an animal. For horse we are going to use the pronoun it. So in place of this you write down it kicked his master की जगह पे क्या लिखोगे? Him, because is a person. So it kicked him. Are you following, children? Let us see another question. Spot was angry. Maria gave Spot some food. Now in the first place we are not going to change. First place we are really going to leave as it is. Okay. First time when we talk about anybody, we don't change the name into pronoun. So you write Spot was angry as it is. Maria gave Spot some food. So you will write Maria gave. In place of Spot you will write it some food. I think here Spot is name of an animal. That is why I have used the pronoun it. Okay. Maria gave it some food. Next is Ram and Hari are in my class. I love Ram and Hari. So first line same you will write Ram and Hari are in my class. We are talking about them for the first time. Then you will not change the name. As it is you note it down. Next, I love Ram and Hari. Now here you can see the name is repeated. So here you will write I love. In place of Ram and Hari you will write them. I love them. Okay. Next 5 number. Anil and Sunil are my best friends. I have invited Anil and Sunil to my birthday party. So, first you write the first line as it is. Anil and Sunil are my best friends. I have invited them. Anil and Sunil के place पे क्या लिखोगे? Them. I have invited them to my birthday party. Okay, so in place of Anil and Sunil, you write down them. उनको मैंने बुलाया. उनको you are going to write in English as them. Next 6 number is, the garden is full of flowers. The flowers are beautiful. So first line as it is you write, the garden is full of flowers. In place of the flowers, you will not write it because here it is, see, S is given. It is a plural word. So when it is plural, they you will write, they are beautiful. Next 7 number, Anupam came to see us. Anupam stayed with us for 2 days. The answer will be, Anupam came to see us, as it is you note it down. Second line you will change. In place of Anupam, you will write he. He stayed with us for 2 days. Okay. Same way, 8 number, Nainital is a hill station. Nainital is a beautiful place. So in place of Nainital, what are you going to write? It. First line as it is you note it down. Next you write down, it is a beautiful place. Okay. Next 9 number, my mother takes great care of me. I love my mother. So you will change, my mother takes great care of me. This you write as it is. Note it down same. I love my mother. In place of this you will write, I love her. Because mother, she is a lady. So in that place you will write H-E-R, her. Okay. I love her. In place of both the words, my mother, you will write her. Next 10th number, Rajan ate too much. Rajan fell ill. So you will write, Rajan ate too much. In place of Rajan, you will write, he fell ill. Okay. In the same manner, 11th one children, I have given the answer here. Everywhere I have just underlined and I have written the correct answer. You have to do this in your book on your own. Okay. We saw an old woman with a heavy bag. We helped the old woman. So in place of the old woman, you will write her. We helped her. First line same you will note down. 12th number, the boys and girls are studying. Boys and girls are preparing for the examination. So first line you write as it is, the boys and girls are studying. Here you will write, they are preparing for examination. This way children you have to do. Okay, the rest will be your homework. I have already written the answers. You have to just frame it in the form of sentence and do it. Okay. So do this in your book. Here also I have done. I have given you the answers where you are going to change. But in the last 22 to 25 number, I have not written the answers. This you will do on your own children. Okay. So this much you do very neatly. Don't write very big in your grammar book. The writing should be neat and clean. So with this we are going to end up today. More we are going to discuss in the next class children. Till then have a good day. Thank you.